How to turn on voice isolation for iPhone phone calls to reduce background noise. First is by calling someone. So go ahead onto your phone right here and then call someone. And then click on the option right here. Again, click on that one. Go to your control center, click on mic mode, and choose voice isolation right here. Go back, and then once you make a call, simply the background noise will be canceled or be removed from your call. So again, for example, if you are in a crowded place and you want to have a clear voice, iPhone has this option right here in which you may be able to change it. You may change it to voice isolation if you don't want um the background noise to be heard by someone, then simply tick um click on that one. So there you go. How that's how you turn on your voice isolation for iPhone phone calls to reduce background noise.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.